Today I will show you guys how to claim your free Discord Nitro. Go to Get Nitro in Settings. Cool thing about claiming free Nitro on your phone is, you can use your local payment methods too. There you go, the Nitro has been claimed. Now this offer is only for people who hasn't had Nitro for 12 months. By the way, do you want to know something cool? I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out.